English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 4. Native speakers connect and speak to. I am going to go. Native speakers shorten it. What does it actually sound like? I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. You are going to like it. The words flow together naturally. How do people usually say it? You're gonna like it. You're gonna like it. We are going to win. It gets shorter in fast speech. How would a native say it? We're gonna win. We're gonna win. He is going to come. The pronunciation changes quite a bit. What's the natural version? He's gonna come. He's gonna come. She is going to call. Spoken English shortens it. What does it sound like? She's gonna call. She's gonna call. They are going to leave. It is said almost in one breath. How does it really sound? They're gonna leave. They're gonna leave. I have got to go. It is often shortened. How do natives say it? I've gotta go. I've gotta go. You have got to see this. It is shortened in everyday speech. What sounds more natural? You've gotta see this. You've gotta see this. We have got to hurry. The words blend together. What's the everyday version? We've gotta hurry. We've gotta hurry. I will be back soon. Future forms become shorter too. How do people say it? I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. It will be fine. Native speakers say it smoothly. What does it actually sound like? It'll be fine. It'll be fine. There will be a problem. It is often contracted in conversation. What's the natural pronunciation? There'll be a problem. There'll be a problem. That is going to be fun. It sounds shorter in conversation. How would a native say it? That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun. It is going to rain. This is a very common contraction. What does it sound like? It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. Who is going to come? Questions are shortened too. How do people usually say it? Who's gonna come? Who's gonna come? I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. You're gonna like it. You're gonna like it. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. He's gonna come. He's gonna come. She's gonna call. She's gonna call. They're gonna leave. They're gonna leave. I've gotta go. I've gotta go. You've gotta see this. You've gotta see this. We've gotta hurry. We've gotta hurry. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. There'll be a problem. There'll be a problem. That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. Who's gonna come? Who's gonna come? Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.